In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Viber on your PC, laptop, or computer using a quick Google search. First, let's open your preferred web browser on your computer. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, or any other browser you're comfortable with. Once your browser is open, move your mouse to the address bar or search bar at the top of the window. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the text cursor blinking there, ready for you to type. Now, type the phrase, "How to log out of Viber on PC, laptop, computer," into the search bar. You don't need to worry about capitalization or punctuation. Google will understand what you mean. After you've typed that in, press the Enter key on your keyboard, or click the search icon on the right side of the bar. Google will now load a results page based on your search. At the top, you may see a short answer box or a step-by-step guide pulled from an article or support page. Just below that, you'll see a list of links from various websites, including official help centers, forums, and tutorial sites. Take a moment to glance at the first few results. Ideally, look for results from trusted sources, like Viber's official help center, or well-known tech support sites. Click on the result that looks most reliable and clearly mentions logging out of Viber on a desktop or computer. When the page opens, you should see detailed instructions, often with screenshots or short descriptions. Follow those instructions carefully on your own Viber app. Typically, this will involve opening the Viber application on your computer, going into the settings or menu area, and looking for an option related to account, privacy, or log out. As you follow along, it can help to keep the browser window and the Viber app both visible by resizing them or switching back and forth using your taskbar or dock. This way, you can read a step on the web page and immediately perform it inside Viber. If one guide isn't clear or doesn't match what you see on your screen, just go back to the Google Results tab and choose another link. Different versions of Viber or different operating systems may look slightly different, so another article or tutorial might be a better match for your setup. Once you've completed the steps in the guide, your Viber account should be logged out on your PC or laptop, and you're all set.